guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, I'm Erica. If you don't me, I'm Winloy. If you don't me, I'm Shamila. So, we are in the picture of my channel. So, we're gonna do the slime part 2. The part 1 is have glitter. This is don't have glitter. Okay. So we have 2 glues and 1 Ariel liquid, spoon, then this. So we're gonna put the glue.
I'm gonna help you.
It's big.
It's big.
What the fuck? Wala, kasi ang gulo eh. Don't mind her, she's it's like he has a brain different, just like that. You. Hindi, stuck mo yun. What the fuck? Aray! Saan mo na he's saying bad words.
Any times. In one day, 100. Joke, this 50.
Oh. So we're gonna open this Ariel liquid.
Don't put it in your mouth.
Oh!
May 3 bibi. Tama na. Ako mag-mix.
Ako na. Can you hold this? I'm gonna mix it. So we're gonna mix this.
Ariel.
And it will become
Not
slime.
recommended. 1 Ariel, not recommended.
Taas mo.
Hindi.
Oh, it's
slime.
like slime. Yeah.
Just mix.
Just mix it up and it will become a slime.
Oh,